Hello, this is Vanessa from the Pudgy Rabbit, and today I'm going to show you how to make a slipknot and a starting chain. To make a slipknot, we're going to take the tail end of the yarn, which is this open end, and cross it over the working yarn, making this little loop. And we're going to reach through the back of the loop and then pull the working yarn all the way through. I'm going to pull it tight, and there we've made a slipknot. To tighten up your slipknot, you can pull on the working end of the yarn until the loop is a little bit smaller. Once the loop is small enough to fit on your hook without falling off, you can slip it on, and then we'll be ready to make a chain. To make a chain, you're just going to bring the yarn over the hook and then pull it on through the loop, and there we've made one chain. You can yarn over again and pull it through, and there we've made two chains. You can continue yarning over and pulling it through the loop to make as many chains as you need for your pattern. I hope you guys found this helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick tutorials.